Hello future developers, welcome to another tutorial at ABCD. Today we'll be learning to do text detection and then translation using TextBlob. So as usual, TextBlob uses Google Translate to do the translation and the text detection. No, sorry, the translation. Okay, so I'm going to create a variable called TD or text detect. And cancel this and then do it TD. Okay, so you can create any variable of your choice and then equals, and then we'll type TextBlob. Remember the T should be caps and then the B should be caps. Then put parentheses and then you type quotation commas. And then you input your text. Sorry, so this should be a frame comma verse T, and then we're going to do the translation. Okay, so just here I'm going to type print into brackets, print in the parentheses, and then I'll do blob dot language translate detect underscore language. Okay, so we are going to get an error here. Okay, because if you see TextBlob is not defined. Okay, so because of the blob, remember my variable is TD, so I'm going to have to change the blob to TD. How to change it to TD? I was thinking it was the internet. Okay, so remember the variable is TD, so I'll change it to TD, and then when we run it, we should have everything correct. So it's going to take some time, some few seconds. Okay, so you can see FR for French. Okay, so we just detected that the language there or the text there is French. And now let's just copy this. Okay, so I'm going to copy this, and then I'll add a new cell, and then let's paste it here. So we are going to do another lesson. So this Spanish. Okay, so I'm going to copy the Spanish text and then just replace it here. So I'm going to paste it here, and then let's just run it. So let's change the variable. You can still leave the variable to TD, but let's do it ES. Okay, ES, and then when we run it, we should get the language. Okay, so we should get the language being detected. So run it, you can see ES for Spanish, Espanol or something. Okay, so in order for us not to get confused, I'm going to change my variable to so that we don't see it as, because we created a variable ES, that's why I got ES. Okay, so you can see the result. Okay, so this text detection using TextBlob. So now we want to do some translation. Okay, so here we're going to just copy this and then paste it here. Okay, so because in order to save time, that's why I'm copying and pasting. But if you've done or you've been in the previous video, you know what we're trying to do. Okay, so I'm going to create a new cell and then I'll paste it. Okay, so create a new cell, and then let's paste it here. So I'm going to copy the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog, and then I'll paste it here inside in between the parentheses, and then I'm going to take this out to translate. Okay, so we are going to get error. Okay, but I just want us to see something. MC.es. Then if we run it, I think we should get. Let's run it and let's see the outcome. So let me just paste here. So I would want us to convert this, translate this text into other languages. Okay. So let's see what we are trying to do here, and then when we run it, you can see I have an error. Okay, because of the translate language. Okay, so this is wrong, so be mindful of this. That's just something I want to show you. You might come into some kind of errors when trying to when you forget or you misplace some of the methods. Okay, so the method here should just be translate. Okay, should just be translate. and when we run it, we should have our error solved. Okay, so let's translate a quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. You can see it's being translated into Spanish, French, and the likes. Okay, so thank you.